Just going to give you a quick tour of the Narrowboat so you can kind of see where we're living, how it's all set up here. So here we go. Our narrowboat. So it's only 40 feet long, but we managed to fit quite a lot of stuff in. As you can see, plenty of board games and books and far too much wine, but we'll get through that, it's not a problem. And here is the centrepiece of any narrowboat, the log burning stove. Heats us up during the winter, makes me sweat during the summer, and then the table and chair, which I'll show you how to use in a second. And most importantly in this narrowboat is this window hammock and our cat T-Bay. Hi T-Bay! So if you pull at this mat, you'll see a hole on the floor, which you put a pole in and then a tabletop on top, and then that makes the table and the dinette with the chairs to go on the other side. Underneath there we've got two huge drawers which are full of stuff, and then I discovered at the back there's a little box at the back where we can put even more things in. In this cupboard is our alcohol, homemade liqueurs, which we're slowly drinking through, but we're still early in the summer season, aren't we? So, on to the kitchen. And here's our kitchen. We've got a U-shaped kitchen, gives a bit more space, and then a new wood worktop. It's not quite finished the back yet, but we're working on that one. So I put in these taps. They do leak, obviously, but not enough to be a real problem. And there's all our storage. Obviously we've got an oven, 4 hobs, and most importantly a kettle. Now on to the bedroom. And here's where the sleeping happens, or lack of sleep, because T-Bay wakes us up way too early. There's where we keep all our laptops and gear, and finally where all our clothes manage to fit in, which is surprising. Hats and bits and bobs all over the place, and then to the bathroom, which is nice and small. We've got a full-size mirror which folds out, so we can look at ourselves, obviously. And the usual accoutrements for bathrooms, not to mention a shower which we actually just use for storage for mainly all of T-Bay's things. So there you go. So that's the end of our narrowboat tour, and hope you liked it. Say bye! Say bye! Say bye! Say bye! Come on! Oh, fine, fair enough.